Welcome to this video on the Pure Produce solution. We'll explore how to combat unseen pathogens on your fresh produce using advanced HOCl defense. Summer brings us delicious produce, but did you know that water alone often fails to remove everything? Passive rinsing leaves behind wax, soil, and hidden contaminants. Public health agencies are currently monitoring a multi-state outbreak linked to raw produce. This pathogen can cause significant gastrointestinal illness, including severe cramps and dehydration. The pathogen, Cyclospora, is protected by a tough outer shell called an oocyst. This microscopic armor makes it resistant to cold temperatures and standard chlorine-based sanitizers. As this diagnostic chart shows, tap water and standard bleach are insufficient for total protection. Danolyte HOCl, however, effectively handles these challenges while remaining organic. Enter Hypochlorous Acid, or HOCl. It is the same molecule our own bodies produce to fight infections, now replicated into a powerful, shelf-stable, and food-safe wash called Danolyte. Standard washes struggle against organic biofilms due to electrical charges. HOCl's neutral charge allows it to penetrate these matrices, where bacteria and parasites often hide. Danolyte Fruit Veggie Wash brings hospital-grade efficacy to your kitchen. It is tough on residue, completely gentle on food, and offers a convenient rinse-free application. Purity is a top priority. Danolyte is USDA and OMRI organic certified, FDA approved for food surfaces, taste neutral, and contains zero synthetic fragrances or toxic residues. Beyond safety, Danolyte helps preserve your food. By neutralizing contaminants that accelerate decay, it can help your berries and greens stay fresh for longer. The risk of cross-contamination doesn't stop at your food. Danolyte can also be used as a non-corrosive, hospital-grade sanitizer for your kitchen surfaces, sinks, and utensils. Adopt a reliable routine. Wash your hands, trim your produce, spray with Danolyte to reach into crevices, and finally, dry with a clean, single-use paper towel. Danolyte is the definitive bridge between clinical defense and natural wellness, ensuring you no longer have to compromise between safety and purity. Ready to clean smarter? Visit DanolyteGlobal.com to secure your own Danolyte Fruit and Veggie Wash today. Clean eating starts with a truly clean wash.